Dear students, Junior JEE program trigonometry is going on. In the chapter trigonometry, we are handling exercise 6C, page number 258 in Mathematics 1A textbook. Page number 258, Maths 1A textbook. Until yesterday class, we have completed Roman number 1, general number 3, 6 exam 6, Roman number sums we have completed. Let us discuss in Roman number 1, fourth one. Prove that cos 35 degrees plus cos 85 degrees plus cos 155 degrees equal to 0. Cos 35 plus cos 85 plus cos 155 is equal to 0. Let us think about the unknown value to known value. This you write as cos 60 minus 25 plus this is cos 60 plus 25 plus this is cos 180 minus 25. This is LHS. Let us remember the formula transformation. I said the formula cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. So that is equal to, here you can write 2 cos 60 into cos 25 cos plus this is cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So it is minus cos 25 degrees. Minus cos 25. That is equal to 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2 into cos 25 minus cos 25. 2 get cancelled. That is equal to, here you can write cos 25 minus cos 25 equal to 0. This is RHS. This is LHS. Fourth one, second one. In Roman number 1, general number 1, 4, first Roman completed, second Roman. Prove the all things here. 2 tan 72 degrees is equal to tan 18 degrees plus 2 tan 54 degrees. Tan 72 is equal to tan 18 plus 2 tan 54. Now consider tan 72 degrees is equal to tan of 54 plus 18 degrees. 54 degrees plus 18 degrees. That implies tan 72 degrees is equal to, this is of the form tan A plus tan of A plus B. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan 54 degrees plus tan 18 degrees by 1 minus tan 54 into tan 18 degrees. Take cross multiplication. So this is tan 72 into 1 minus tan 54 into tan 18 degrees is equal to tan 54 plus tan 18 degrees. That implies multiply, this is tan 72 minus tan 72 into tan 18. Put a bracket here. Tan 72 into tan 18 into tan 54 is equal to tan 54 plus tan 18. tan 54 plus tan 18. That implies tan 72 minus this is 1 into tan 54. Why? Because write the formula. If A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, that implies tan A into tan B is equal to 1. If A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then tan A into tan B is equal to 1. So tan 72 into tan 18 is equal to 1 because 72 plus 18 is 90. That is equal to here tan 54 plus tan 18. Tan 54 plus tan 18. That implies the tan 18 taken left side. You can write here tan 72 minus tan 18. Tan 72 minus tan 18 is equal to 2 tan 54. 2 tan 54. That's all. Now, fourth question, third one. Sine 750 degrees into cos 480 degrees plus cos 120 degrees into cos 60 degrees is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is a proof. LHS can be written as sine of 720 plus 30. This is 720 plus 30 into cos of this is 360 plus 120 plus cos 120 into cos 60. Sine 720 plus theta, 720 is nothing but 0. So it is sine 30 into cos 120 plus you can understand this one cos 120 into sine 30 because cos 60 is nothing but sine 30, cos 30 value is 1 by cos 60 value is 1 by 2 and sine 30 value is also 1 by 2. Now try to understand the formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B formula is sin of A plus B. So that is equal to sin of 30 plus 120. Sin of 30 degrees plus 120 degrees. So it is sin 150 degrees. Sin 150 degrees can be written as 30 cos 30 120. Sin 30 cos 120 plus cos 30 cos 120. Sin A cos B plus no, it is not in proper way. It is not this form. Both are equal. Directly you can write here. Sin 30 cos 120 and sin 30 cos 120. So you can write here 2 into sin 30 cos 120. 2 into sin 30 cos 120, that is equal to 2 into sin 30 value 1 by 2 into cos 120 can be written as cos of 90 plus 30. 2 get cancelled. Cos 90 plus theta becomes minus sin theta. So it is minus sin 30 value is minus 1 by 2. Fourth one, cos A plus cos of 4 pi by 3 minus A plus cos of 4 pi by 3 plus A equal to 0. Cos a plus cos of 4 pi by 3 plus a plus cos of 4 pi by 3 minus a. Let us remember the formula cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b. So you can take here cos a plus this is 2 cos 4 pi by 3 into cos a. That is equal to cos a plus here cos 4 pi by 3 can be written as cos 240 degrees because pi means 180, pi by 3 meaning 60. Cos 240 degrees is equal to cos 180 plus 60. Cos 180 plus 60 gives minus cos 60, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here you write cos a plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 into cos a. 2 get cancelled. Cos a minus cos a is equal to 0. Put R values. Fifth one. Cos square theta plus cos square of 2 pi plus theta. Cos square theta plus cos square of 2 pi plus theta plus cos square of here 2 pi by 3 plus cos square of 2 pi by 3 minus theta is equal to 3 by 2. Taking LHS, right here cos theta whole square plus this is cos 2 pi by 3 plus theta total whole square plus this is cos 2 pi by 3 minus theta total whole square. Cos theta whole square, cos square theta also we can write, plus this is formula cos of a plus b formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos 2 pi by 3 into cos theta minus sin 2 pi by 3 into sin theta total whole square plus in the similar way this is also cos theta cos of a minus b formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos theta cos 2 pi by 3 plus sin theta cos theta cos 2 pi by 3 plus like this sin 2 pi by 3 sin theta whole square, that is equal to cos theta whole square plus cos 2 pi by 3 meaning cos 120 cos 90 plus 30 minus sin 30, it is minus 1 by 2 into cos theta. Sin 120 meaning minus root 3 by 2 sin theta whole square plus of here also minus 1 by 2 cos theta. Here sin 120 meaning plus 1 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 sin theta whole square, that is equal to cos square theta plus if we take a minus common here, so minus 1 by 2 you can take common along with the square, it becomes here cos theta plus sin theta whole square. No, cos theta plus root 3 sin theta whole square. Cos theta plus root 3 sin theta whole square. Again you take common here minus 1 by 2 along with the square. So you can write here this is cos theta If we have taken minus 1 by 2, it becomes cos theta minus root 3 sin theta total whole square. Let us remember the formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. That is equal to cos square theta plus this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square becomes 1 by 4. Taken common here and here also, and now you write here using the formula 2 into a square plus b concept. So 2 into cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta. 2 into a square plus b square, we had 2 into cos plus 3 sin square theta. So now take LCM here. This is 4 cos square theta plus this is 2 cos square theta plus this is 2 3s are 6 sin square theta whole by 4. You can understand here this is 6 taken common. 6 taken common because 6 cos theta plus 6 sin square theta. 6 taken common within the brackets you can write cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos theta plus sin square theta value 1, so this is 6 by 4 into 1. Get cancelled with the 2 table, it becomes 3 by 2. This is RHS, which will be useful in objective. In objective, where I am handling objective class, any proof I will not say students, simply write as a formula. Like this, plenty of formula is there. So cos 2 pi by 3, of course it is cos 4 pi by 3 also, it is 3 by 2. Like that, so many formula you will be facing in objective classes. Okay, now let us going to discuss about third question completed, fourth question. In fifth question, 4 sums are there. In the page number 58, Roman number 1, fifth question. Evaluate first one sin square 82.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees. Let us write the formula sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So you can understand here sin, this is 82 and half, sin 82 and half plus 22 and half, sin 82 and half plus 22 and half into sin 82 and half minus 22 and half degree. Sin 82 plus 22 and 82 and half plus 22 and half becomes 105. Sin 105 into this is sin 60 degrees. Sin 105 we can write as a sin of 90 degrees plus 15 degrees into sin 60 degrees. Sin 90 plus theta becomes cos theta. So you can write here cos 15 degrees. Cos 15 degrees into sin 60 degrees. We know that cos 15 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, this is a 3 plus root 3 by this is 4 root 2. This is the value. Now next one, cos square 112 and half minus sin square 52 and half. In fifth one, Roman number 1, general number 5. This is second one. Roman number 1, general number 5. This is first one. Cos square 112 and half minus sin square 52 and half. cos square 112 and half minus sin square 52 and half. Cos square 112 and half minus sin square 52 and half. Remember the formula cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B formula is cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Before going to discuss the theory of exercise 6, I said the two formulas in first only sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B and cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B proved also. Now you can write here cos 112 and half plus 52 and half degrees into cos 112 and half minus 52 and half degrees. Cos, this is 2, 4, 5, 1, 6. So cos 165 degrees. So this is cos 165 degrees into this is cos 60 degrees. Cos 165 degrees can be written as cos 180 degrees minus 15 degrees into cos 60 value 1 by 2. Cos 180 minus theta becomes minus cos theta. So minus cos 15 into 1 by 2. Cos 15 value we know that root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into 1 by 2. So that is equal to minus of root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Third one, fifth question, third one, sin square pi by 8 plus a by 2. Sin square pi by 8 plus a by 2 minus sin square pi by 8 minus a by 2. Write the formula sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So use here sin of pi by 8 plus a by 2, sin of pi by 8 plus a by 2. Plus pi by 8 minus a by 2. Put a bracket here into sin of pi by 8 plus a by 2. This is minus, so minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. So minus pi by 8 plus a by 2. Otherwise minus of within brackets pi by 8 minus a by 2, you can understand minus of minus becomes plus, that is a by 2 and minus pi by 8. So here pi by 8 and pi by 8 get cancelled. Here a by 2 get cancelled. That is equal to, you can understand here sin pi by 8 plus pi by 8 becomes 2 pi by 8, that is pi by 4. Sin of pi by 4 into sin a by 2 plus sin a by 2 becomes sin a by 2. So this is sin a by root 2, because sin pi by 4 means sin 45 value 1 by root 2. In fifth one, this is fourth question. Cos square 52 and half minus sin square 22 and half. IMP 2 marks. Cos square 52 and half. Cos square 52 and half minus sin square 22 and half. Let us remember the formula cos square a minus sin square b is equal to cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So this is cos of 52 and half. 52 and half plus 22 and half. Cos of 52 and half plus 22 and half into cos of 52 and half minus 22 and half. Cos 52 into 52 and half plus 22 and half. Cos 75. This is cos 75. Into cos this is 30. Cos 75 means sin 15. Sin 15 value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 into cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So multiply with root 3. It becomes 3 minus root 3 by 4 root 2. This is 3 minus root 3 by 4 root 2. Now we have completed 5 questions, page number 258, Roman number 1. Let us going to discuss about the minimum maximum values. Find the minimum comma maximum. Find the minimum comma maximum values of first one 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. Second one sin 2x minus cos 2x. Here A, first one I am writing 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 0. This is of the form. This is of the form A cos x plus B sin x plus C. I said the theorem before going to discuss about exercise 6. See the range of A cos x plus B sin x plus C or A sin x plus B cos x plus C is C minus root of A square plus B square comma C plus root of X square plus B square. So range or min max values and right. Min comma max values. Min comma max values. Formula C minus root of A square plus B square comma C plus root of A square plus B square. So what is C here? It is 0. 0 minus root of 3 square plus 4 square comma 0 plus root of 3 square plus 4 square. So 3 square plus 4 square becomes 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 root is 25. 25 root is 5. So minus 5 comma 5 is 8. Second one, you can understand here 1 into sin 2x plus of minus 1 into cos 2x plus 0. Here you can understand A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1. So write the formula range or min max values is C minus root of A square plus B square comma C plus root of A square plus B square. You need to pronounce once again that C minus root of A square plus B square comma C plus root of A square plus B square, because the formula you should not forget it. IMP 2 marks these are. So 0 minus root of, you can understand this one, 1 square plus of minus 1 whole square comma 0 plus root of this one 1 square plus of minus 1 whole square. So that is equal to here 0 minus root 2 comma 0 plus root 2. You can write the range is minus root 2 comma root 2. That's all. Minus root 2 comma root 2 is the range. Now, seventh one. Find the range he is asking. 7 cos x minus. Find the range. Find the range of 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 25. No, it is 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. Yeah. Second one, 13 cos x plus 3 root 3 sin x. 13 cos x plus 3 root 3 sin x minus 4. Students, these two sums to do homework and depends upon this one. Example is here. Page number 257. That I said one example. Another example I did not discuss. Example page 257 I am writing. Find the range of cos of x plus pi by 3. Cos of x plus pi by 3 plus 2 root sin of x plus pi by 3 plus 2 root sin of x plus pi by 3 minus 3. This is the function. In objective also we face such questions. Now let us going to discuss. This is the form cos A plus B. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos x cos pi by 3 minus sin x sin pi by 3 plus 2 root of sin x cos pi by 3 plus cos x sin pi by 3 minus 3. That is equal to here cos x into cos 30 cos 60 value 1 by 2 minus sin x into sin 60 value root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 2 into sin x into cos 60 value 1 by 2 plus cos x into sin 60 value root 3 by 2 minus 3. So this is cos x into 1 by 2. So sin x cos x into root 3 by 2, take a side. Cos x taken common, you can take here root 3 plus 1 by 2. Next, minus sin x taken common. Minus sin x taken common, you can write here root 3 minus 2 root 2 whole by 2 minus 3 at last. So use the formula c minus root of a square plus b square. He is asking the maximum and minimum value. C minus root of a square plus b square, we got like this cos of x plus pi by 3 plus 2 root 2 into sin of x plus pi by 3 minus 3. Of course, students, no need to multiply. It becomes so lengthy question whenever you are multiplying. So here one hint is there. X plus pi by 3, of course, it is a theta. Let, so directly you can write. Let x plus pi by 3 is equal to theta. This is not objective question, this is simply a question. So put right here cos theta plus 2 root 2 sin theta minus 3. That's all. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 2, c is equal to minus 3. Range means min comma maximum values. So formula c minus root of a square plus b square comma c plus root of a square plus b square. Here minus 3 minus root of 1 plus 2 root 2 whole square means 8 comma minus 3 plus root of 1 plus 8, because 2 root 2 whole square becomes 8. So minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 because 8 plus 1 9 root 3 minus 3 comma minus 3 plus 3. So the range is minus 6 comma 0. Minus 6 comma 0 is the range. Okay students, we have successfully completed Roman number 1, and the concept depends upon the concept of range or minimum maximum values. Let us going to discuss about the Roman number 2 in the exercise 6C. So hereafter sums will become somewhat lengthy and depth concept you are going to learn. From tomorrow onwards, you can start Roman number 2 questions. Page number 259. Everyone try to buy the Maths Manya textbook. Of course, every subject textbook you need to buy. Okay, students, let us discuss the remaining class in next class, that is tomorrow.